In today's video, we're diving into the world of gaming power supplies, showcasing the top 5 options that every gamer should consider for building or upgrading their ultimate gaming rig. A power supply is often the unsung hero of a PC setup, but it plays a critical role in ensuring your system operates smoothly and efficiently, even under the strain of modern, high-performance components. These power supplies offer impressive features like high wattage capacity to support powerful GPUs and CPUs, modular or semi-modular designs for better cable management, and energy efficiency to keep your power consumption in check while maximizing performance. Many come equipped with advanced cooling systems to maintain optimal temperatures, along with multiple layers of protection against power surges, overvoltage, short circuits, and overheating. Designed with gamers in mind, these power supplies deliver not just reliability, but longevity, future-proofing your setup for years to come. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, these power supplies provide the stability, efficiency, and durability to power through your favorite games without interruption. Stick around as we break down the features, benefits, and key highlights of these top picks to help you choose the best power supply for your gaming needs. Number 1. MSI MEG 1300 Watt Gaming Power Supply. Reliable power for high-performance builds. The MSI MEG AI 1300P gaming power supply is a top-tier choice for gamers and PC builders who demand superior performance and reliability. With a full modular design, it offers easy cable management and improved airflow. The 80+ Platinum certification ensures optimal energy efficiency, while the 1300 watt power output provides ample power for high-end gaming rigs and demanding components. Featuring 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors, this power supply guarantees stability and durability even during intense gaming sessions. Its compact size allows for better space utilization in your PC case. Backed by a 10-year warranty, the AI 1300P ensures long-lasting, high-quality performance for years to come. Perfect for those seeking consistent power for gaming and performance computing systems. Number 2. GameMax 850 Watt 80 plus Gold Power Supply. Efficient and stylish power for gaming PCs. The GameMax 850 Watt power supply is designed to provide stable and efficient power for high-performance gaming setups. With 80+ Gold certification, it ensures optimal energy efficiency, reducing wasted power while maintaining smooth operation for your system. The fully modular design allows for clean cable management and improved airflow, while the 100% Japanese capacitors enhance reliability and longevity. This PSU is ready for the latest standards, supporting ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 for next-gen hardware compatibility. The built-in ARGB sync lighting adds a touch of style to your build, making it ideal for gamers who want both functionality and aesthetics. The RGB 850 SE offers a reliable and visually striking power supply for your gaming PC. Number 3. Corsair RM1200 X Shift fully modular ATX power supply, high efficiency and versatile design. The Corsair RM1200 X Shift 1200 Watt power supply delivers powerful and efficient performance for demanding gaming systems. With 80+ Gold certification, it provides excellent energy efficiency, reducing heat and noise while offering reliable power for high-performance setups. This fully modular PSU allows for clean cable management with a unique modular side interface for easy connections. It's ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0. Ready, future-proofing your system for next-gen hardware. The 0 RPM mode ensures silent operation during low to medium load, while the sleek white design adds a modern aesthetic to your build. Ideal for gamers and creators who need top-tier performance, reliability, and style, The RM1200X shift ensures a high-quality, long-lasting power solution. Number 4. Thermaltake Smart 500. Watt 80 plus white certified power supply, reliable and quiet performance. The Thermaltake Smart 500 watt power supply offers a dependable solution for entry-level and mid-range PC builds. With 80 plus white certification, it ensures efficiency and reduces unnecessary power loss, providing stable energy for your system's components. Featuring a 120mm ultra-quiet cooling fan, this PSU minimizes noise while maintaining optimal airflow for a cool and quiet operation. It's designed with ATX12VV 2.3 and EPS12V compatibility, making it suitable for most standard desktop builds. Number 5. Be Quiet. 1000 watt power supply, quiet, efficient, and powerful. The Be Quiet Pure Power 12M 1000 watt power supply offers exceptional performance and efficiency for high-end gaming and workstation builds. With 80 plus gold certification, it provides reliable and energy-efficient power, ensuring that your components perform at their best while reducing energy waste. This fully modular PSU comes with a 12 VHPWR cable, making it compatible with PCIe 5.0 GPUs and supporting GPUs with 6+2 pin connectors. The 120mm Be Quiet fan ensures silent operation, even under intense workloads, providing a quiet, cool environment for your system. Ideal for gamers and professionals who need powerful, efficient, and silent power for their demanding setups.